What if I told you that earning an extra $500 a day was not only possible, but happening right now for everyday people? It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But here in 2025, it's a reality. Powered by artificial intelligence. Think about Sarah, a stay-at-home mom from Ohio. She started using simple AI tools to write blog posts for small businesses. Within just a few months, she was booking clients consistently, clearing over $15,000 a month. She didn't have a computer science degree, she just had a laptop and the drive to learn a few new tricks. This isn't some far-off fantasy, it's a tangible opportunity. The stories are popping up everywhere. Take Mark, a former warehouse worker from Texas. He felt stuck, long hours, low pay. He started experimenting with AI video editing software on the weekends, turning bland company footage into exciting, shareable clips. His first client paid him $300 for a 2-minute video. That took him less than an hour to create with AI help. So, what are we actually talking about when we say AI side hustle? Let's break it down in the simplest terms possible. An AI side hustle is a business or service you run on the side, where you use artificial intelligence tools to do the heavy lifting. Instead of spending 10 hours manually designing a logo, you use an AI tool to generate dozens of options in minutes. Instead of writing a 1,000-word article from scratch, you use an AI writing assistant to create a solid draft that you can then edit and polish. It's about leveraging technology to work smarter, not harder. Think of AI as your new, incredibly efficient employee. This employee can write, design, edit videos, manage social media, code, all at lightning speed. Your job is to be the project manager. You guide the AI, give it the right instructions, we call these prompts, and then you refine the final product to meet your client's needs. You are still the creative director to the strategist. One of the most profitable and in-demand AI side hustles right now is running a content creation agency. What does that mean? It means you get paid to write things for other businesses. Blog posts, website copy, email newsletters, social media captions. Every single business needs written content to attract customers. A local plumber, a national software company. Most owners are too busy running the business to write everything themselves, and hiring a traditional marketing agency can be incredibly expensive. This is where you come in. Here's how it works. You use AI writing assistants to generate high-quality drafts incredibly quickly. On a 1,500-word blog post might take a human writer 4 or 5 hours to research and write. An AI can draft that in under 10 minutes. Your job: take that AI-generated draft, fact-check it, inject the brand's unique voice, add personal stories or insights, polish it until it's perfect. You're not just copying and pasting. Starting your own AI-powered content agency might seem daunting, but we can boil it down to 3 straightforward steps. Step 1. Niche down. Create clear service packages. Don't just say, "I'm a writer." Get specific. The AI-powered blog writer for financial advisors. The email newsletter specialist for e-commerce brands. A narrow focus makes you look like an expert, and it makes finding your ideal clients easier. Once you have your niche, build simple packages. Starter package: 4 1,000-word blog posts, $400 a month. Growth package: 8 posts plus social media captions, $800 a month. Clear packages make it easy for clients to say yes. Step 2. Find your first 3 clients. Leverage your existing network. Post on your LinkedIn. Post on your Facebook profile. Example post: excited to launch my new content writing service for small businesses. Offer an introductory rate for your first 3 clients. Use freelance platforms. Upwork. If writing isn't your thing, the world of video offers an equally massive opportunity. Video is king on the internet, and businesses are desperate for it. They need promotional videos, social media reels, YouTube content, and training materials. But creating professional-looking video has traditionally been time-consuming and expensive, requiring complex software, and years of practice. AI has completely changed the game. As an AI-enhanced video editor, you can offer fast, affordable, and high-quality video production services to this hungry market, even if you've never edited a video before in your life. So how does it work? You use AI-powered video editing platforms that automate the most tedious parts of the process. Ready to jump into the world of AI-powered video? Your first step: define your specific service. The video world is vast. Specialization is key. You could become the go-to person for turning long-form podcasts into short, shareable social clips. or specialize in creating animated video sales letters for online course creators. Another hot niche: faceless YouTube channels using AI voiceovers and stock footage. Pick one area that interests you and build your service packages around it. For instance, podcast to Reels package. Deliverable: 8 high-impact video clips per month. Price: $400. Step 2. Build a simple portfolio, even if you don't have clients yet. Pick 3 imaginary clients in your chosen niche. Create a sample video for each one. If your niche is real estate agents, find a local agent's blog post. Turn it into a short property tour video. Use Pictory and stock footage to assemble it. Host these 3 sample videos on a simple website or a dedicated YouTube channel. Every business knows they need to be on social media, but very few have the time or expertise to do it effectively. They struggle with what to post, when to post it, and how to create engaging visuals. This creates a perfect opportunity for a side hustle: the AI-powered social media manager. In this role, you become the outsourced marketing department for small businesses, using a suite of AI tools to create and schedule a month's worth of content in just a few hours. You provide a high-value service that saves business owners their most precious resource: their time. Here's the workflow. Your client, let's say a local coffee shop, hires you to manage their Instagram and Facebook accounts. First, you use an AI writer like Jasper to brainstorm a month's worth of content ideas, maybe promoting a new seasonal drink, highlighting their friendly baristas. Then you use that same tool to write out all the captions for the posts. Next, you use an AI image generator like Midjourney, or a design tool with AI features like Canva. Getting your AI social media management business off the ground follows a similar simple roadmap. Your first move is to identify your target client and create your irresistible offer. As we've discussed, specificity sells. Instead of targeting all small businesses, maybe you focus exclusively on managing social media for yoga studios, craft breweries. This allows you to become an expert in their industry's language and marketing needs. Then craft a single, clear package, for example, the Brewery Growth Kit. We create and schedule 30 days of high-engagement social media content for your brewery, all for $600 per month. This clarity removes friction and makes the buying decision easy for a busy owner. Your second step is to find businesses that desperately need your help. This is the fun part. Go on Instagram, Facebook, and search for businesses in your chosen niche. Yoga Studio Chicago, Craft Brewery Austin. We've covered a lot of ground today. We've explored how regular people are already making life-changing money with AI. We've demystified what an AI side hustle is. We've walked through step-by-step playbooks for 3 incredible opportunities: content creation, video editing, social media management. You now have the blueprint. You can see the path from where you are right now to earning $500 a day. But here's the honest truth. None of this information matters without action. Knowledge is not power. The application of knowledge is power. The biggest difference between someone who succeeds and someone who doesn't is simply who started. Your goal for today shouldn't be to make $500. It shouldn't even be to land a client. Your goal for today is to take one single small step forward. That's it, just one. If the AI content agency idea excited you, your first step is to sign up for a free trial of an AI writer like Jasper.